Hey guys, welcome back to RKS Georgia. My name is Tim. Thumbing through my subscriptions today on YouTube, and I see Georgia Ramblin Man's got a video called 3x3. So I don't know, never saw anything 3x3 related to motorcycles necessarily. So I figured, check that out. And yeah, it was a great video. Yeah, he's basically it's a 3x3 challenge, which entails giving 3 facts about your life that you might find interesting or want to share with the public out there on YouTube. So yeah, after he got done with his 3, he has to challenge another 3 people, and flattered to be one of those. Georgia Ramblin Man, thank you. Challenge is gladly accepted on that one. In fact, I needed a little kick in the ass. I had just recently shot the video that you're looking at right now, maybe about 4 days earlier than what I'm doing this right now, and I needed a little inspiration. I've been doing a lot of traveling for work, so thanks for the inspiration on that one. Get me off of my butt. So anyways, yeah, let's take part in this, man. Fact number 1, I'm a drummer. I've been playing since I was 14 years old. Been in all sorts of bands. My first band was when I was 18 years old. I was with a whole bunch of old guys. And I say old now, being close to their age. Guys all in their 50s. When you're 18, that seems old. Man, I wish I could kick myself in the ass when I was 18. So, I'm sure we all do, right? Anyways, so yeah, when I was 18 years old, cut my teeth in a band that played just basic rock from the 60s, your Beatles, your Stones, stuff like that. So eventually led off to perform in a Guns N' Roses tribute band, which was just a complete blast. Got to play the role of Steven Adler, who's the drummer of Guns N' Roses. Of course, we had our own Axl, we had our own Slash, our own Izzy, and our own Duff. And we played the part. We did it full on. Maybe I'll throw a video, or maybe not a video here. I'll throw a photo up here for you guys. You can check that out. Have a good laugh at what what we looked like. But it was a fun show to perform in front of people that were enthusiasts for the music. As much as we were, we certainly didn't go into that gig acting like we were Guns N' Roses, or thinking that we were Guns N' Roses. That's not what tribute band's about. What tribute bands are about is giving an audience that would not be able to see that original band in any other form a way to kind of possibly relive it. If they had not seen the original lineup, maybe we're the next closest thing. So anyways, that was a lot of fun. We went as far as getting nominated for Best Tribute Band in Las Vegas one year. I think that was in 2011. And well, we got to meet with hang out with real rock stars. I got to meet Steven that night. I hung out with Vince Neil from Motley Crue, and Matt Sorum, who was the other drummer for Guns N' Roses after Steven had found his way out of the band. That's a whole nother story. So anyways, yeah, that was a good time. And currently I'm in a country cover band. It's named the Joseph Irwin Band. I think Joseph Irwin is probably the leader of yeah, Joseph is definitely the leader of the band. He'll let you know that too. But we love the guy. He's an excellent singer, excellent songwriter too. He doesn't just do covers, he's a great songwriter. So a little shout out to my homie Joseph. So anyways, maybe we'll go on to factoid number 2 next. Here we go. All right, number 2. Okay, let's do this one. I love photography. I love graphic art and graphic design. What I originally wanted to do, I think a lot of us when we're younger, we have dreams and aspirations, and sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. Mine didn't, and that's okay. Where I ended up was fine. We'll talk about that later, maybe in another episode. So, yeah, I wanted to be a photographer. I had latched onto it. My uncle, growing up, was a photographer, and a very good one at that. And I loved his work, and I think I kind of got the bug from him, the photo bug. So through high school, I had won awards in photography, and I went on to college to take the photo courses there, and it didn't happen. But a lot of I shouldn't say a lot, everything you see so far on this channel, and hopefully I get to share a lot more in the future here. All the content is created by me. Every photograph, of course, every video capture, all the audio, and all the graphic work that you see is something that I've put together. I've been doing this for a long time now, probably at least 20 plus years. I did a lot of work with bands out in Southern California on their websites, on their bass drum heads, on their CD covers, on anything, T-shirts, and anything that a band would need to promote. As far as graphic art goes and photography, I was able to provide that for them. So yeah, a lot of that carries on into to what I'm trying to start here on RKS Georgia. So yeah, there's factoid number 2. All right, number 3. So oddly enough, very much in common with Georgia Ramblin Man's story of the lottery. My wife and I also came within 2 numbers of winning the big pot in the lottery. So yeah, it's a very similar story. The numbers start getting called out, and you're looking at your ticket and you're realizing, wait a second, I've got 2, and now I've got 3, and I think in our case the 4th one was not one of our matchers. So we're like, well, maybe 5 out of 6, and well, the second one was a dud too. Okay, well now we're really not looking good. But then we got the 4th one, and it happened to be the Powerball. So we thought, well, shoot, if it's at least the Powerball, maybe we got something good out of that. But it actually just turned out to be just over $100. So yeah, I thought it was funny, Georgia Ramblin Man, if you're listening to this, when I listened to your first story about you being one of the first lottery winners in Georgia, and the circumstances that surrounded that, I couldn't believe the commonality between our 2 stories. So anyways, that was pretty funny. All right, so I got 3 guys here that I want to add to this challenge. First of all will be Big Bad Wolf Moto. He was one of the first guys that I had seen, only because he's got the same motorcycle I have. He's got the Road King Special and the denim gray. So I latched onto his channel, and man, the guy his wisdom is just ridiculously awesome. I can't really think of other words to put it, but his way that he describes simple things, just as simple as the Harley wave or biker etiquette, is just so well done. And so anyways, a shout out to him for the inspiration for my channel, and putting him to the challenge on the 3x3 here. So next guy is Brandon Picasso. Brandon's out of Alabama. He's got himself I think it's an Indian Scout bobber, and on top of a few other bikes. I think he's got some sports bikes as well, but the bobber is what he features on his channel. And again, I really love his style and his videography on his channel. So if you get a chance, go check out Brandon Picasso, Bicasso, for some good footage of some bikes and just rolling through the country in Alabama. And then the last guy, everybody knows John Maxwell by now. He's down at Chattahoochee Harley-Davidson. He's got so many good videos on Harley tech and Harley mechanic aspects of the Harley-Davidson bikes. And plus he's a fellow Georgia boy. So anyways, shout out to John for the great videos, and here's to the challenge. So have fun with that. Guys, I got some more video I'm going to put together later on. I'm not sure what kind of topics I want to cover just yet, but again, the channel's still growing. I'm still trying to find time to do videos here and there. And anyways, thanks for joining me. Georgia Ramblin Man, thanks again for for the inspiration on this video, and setting my butt on fire to get this done. So everybody, have a great rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year. And you know what? Be the safest rider out there and be the best rider you can be out there. All right. Peace out, guys.